Laundry and clothes care, the unspun truth. You can have all the name brands in the world, but if your clothes smell like armpits, or crusty, or wrinkled like a used napkin, you're not really stepping out right. 1. Wash your clothes properly. Don't rewear musty clothes and call it vintage. If it stinks, it sinks your whole vibe. Separate colors and whites unless you want pink socks and gray drawers. Use detergent. Actual detergent, not just water or body wash. If you sweat a lot, add baking soda or vinegar to the wash. Don't let wet clothes sit unless you're trying to grow mildew on purpose. 2. Underwear and socks are daily items. If you wear it on your private parts or feet, one-time use, then wash it. No flipping inside out. That's not hygiene. That's how bacteria throws a party. 3. How to store your clothes. Fold or hang your stuff. A chair ain't a closet. The floor ain't a drawer. Store by type. Shirts with shirts, pants with pants. Keep your nice clothes covered so dust and bugs don't disrespect you. Dirty clothes go in a hamper. Not under your bed, not in the corner, not mixed with clean stuff. For iron it or don't wear it, wrinkles don't mean hustle. They mean you gave up. Steam, iron, or tumble dry your stuff if it looks slept in. Keep lint rollers, handy especially if you have pets or wear black. 5. Take care of your valuables. Jewelry, wipe it down, store it safe, and don't toss it in a drawer. Bags, shoes, belts, clean them regularly. Shoes ain't meant to be crusty. Leather, wipe and condition. Suede, get a brush. Label your stuff if you're in shared spaces. If you treat your things like trash, don't be mad when life feels cheap. 6. Don't sleep in your outside clothes. Your bed is where you rest and reset. Don't bring the day's dirt, sweat, smoke, and germs into it. Change clothes, shower, then lay down. 7. Respect what you earned or were given. If someone spent money on it, or you did, honor it. Don't stuff your backpack until the zipper breaks. Don't leave your phone in your sheets. Don't lose your hoodie every other week. If you don't care for your stuff, people won't trust you with more. Final word. Laundry equals love. Taking care of your clothes is taking care of yourself. It's about looking how you want to be treated. Smelling like effort. Moving like pride. Living like you give a damn.